You said you were here 9 months ago. Yeah. Were you with me?
No, I was with Cecilia.
Oh, okay, cool. So she went over all the fun stuff with you. How's that been going for you? Was that your first time?
That was my first curly cut.
Okay.
I've only blow dried my hair once since then. I regretted that.
What made you regret it?
It just like really, I think that's what kind of caused the damage on the ends because it was really healthy besides that.
And so you noticed right
just
after.
Just that one blow, and I got it like in a salon.
It's
so
amazing
it
that that's all it takes. It's heat. I mean, I can burn myself in here or outside and it's the same burn.
It was crazy what a difference it made. But other than that, I've been really good. I use all of the right products. I don't put anything else in my hair.
Nice.
And it's been looking really nice. I like it. I have a little bit less unpredictability in how my hair is going to turn out. I've even worn it to like weddings, which I would never do before.
So when you were saying you wanted to keep the length, you were showing me the ends that
the ends need to come off. No, I want it to be healthy first and foremost. That's really important to me. But I just want it to be, I don't even care about the length. I just want it to be long enough that if I need to like get out of the house and just put it in a bun, I could do that.
Gotcha. Looks like you got an interesting one popping out over there, but
I have this one hair right here that I play with the most.
Okay.
So this one's kind of short.
So that's going to be our straight, maybe a little bit broken
that one's my, it's okay for you to play with your hair and kill it.
Got it.
Strand.
Got it.
When I'm stressed.
Your hair, regardless of whatever shape, length, or whatever we do, you have natural volume. You have that, it's kind of natural anti-gravity root, so it's going to pop for you either which way. But you also have there that I'm sure the right, amount of product in there, it probably calms right down.
And that's what I like about like the products that I use now. Yeah. It's still curly. It's not like bad. Like it has volume. No matter what I do, it's always going to have volume. But it's just kind of a little calmer, and I have like ringlets.
Yeah. Kind of said keep the length, but again, you're not too worried about the length, so just tie it up.
Yeah.
I think just from the amount of time that it's been since you've cut it last, there's a little bit of disconnection in the way that it grew out a little bit. So I think that's all I really need to do. Is just go in and just get you like cleaned up. And I think that's going to kind of cover the things that might be bothering you.
And really it's the bottoms, like
it's the ends.
It's like not cute anymore. It looks gross. I mean, you could feel it. The hair feels great and you get to the bottom and it's like, no.
It gets dry towards the end there. Especially if you, like you said, unfortunately took that one time to kind of like dry out.